Do not, I repeat, do not blindly interlock your locks in the back of your head without a mirror, or you will end up like this with 2 combined locks. I could have easily separated these by unraveling if I had taken my time, with some water in a mirror, but nope, taking the easy way out. And so I grabbed my mustache shears. Yes, mustache shears. They're short blades, and the blades are really, really sharp. Now, I would not recommend this, okay? I am not a professional. I'm not quite sure I knew what I was doing. I mean, it didn't turn out too bad, but yeah, still 10 out of 10 would not recommend. So I cut them. Now they're separated, but if you can see, the lock on the right is much thinner than the one on the left. That's why I said I would not recommend this. So I'm doing my usual, wrapping any loose hairs around the lock, and I'm going to use my interlock tool to do a 2-point rotation. Now, do y'all see how frizzy this lock is? And I'm going to say the majority of my locks, probably 90% of them, are frizzy. I think with my hair type and texture, it just comes with the territory, so it is what it is. Whenever I do my reties, I do twist the loose hairs around the lock all the way down to the bottom, but it doesn't hold. Maybe a day or 2 if I'm lucky. So I'm going to interlock the second lock that I separated, and like I said, you can see that this lock is definitely thicker than the one that was on the right, and this one is frizzy as well. And my arms are getting tired already, and this is just only 2 locks. This is one of the reasons why I want to do a second set of locks. I am strongly considering letting these grow out for like 6 months, doing a big chop and doing a second set. I have learned so much throughout the last 3.5 years, the do's and don'ts, what I should and should not do. So I don't know, we'll see what happens.